Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mariah and I make DIY videos. Before we get into this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. A trash bag, gloves, dried flowers, key rings, molding tray, 2 cups, resin, a lighter, popsicle stick, and bubble popper stick. First, I'm putting the garbage bag down to protect the table. Now I'm putting my gloves on and getting ready to pour the resin into the cups. Be sure to pour an equal amount of resin into each cup. Now I'm combining the two into 1 cup. Be sure to mix for about 5 minutes until all streaks are gone. I find it easier to get a thorough mix if I pour it back into the other cup and continue to mix. Now that the resin is mixed properly, I will pour some into the molding cast. It is now time for me to add the dried flowers. Now I'm using a stick to place the flowers in the places that I want them to be. 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to take the lighter and the bubble popper. I personally find it easier for the heat to get rid of the bubbles. Now I'm going to use the bubble popper to get any leftover bubbles. This is how it should look so far. I'm covering with the box to prevent dust from getting in. Now that the 24 hours is up, I'm going to take the box off. Remove the letters from the molding tray. I'm just going to twist the bottom part of the keyring into the letter. This is what it should look like once it's screwed in. Now I'm taking the link and I'm going to hook it to the keyring and onto the hook on the letter. Now to tighten it back together, I'm using my tools. However, I would strongly suggest just using some tweezers. Here's the finishing look. I think they came out absolutely awesome. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this DIY, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!